Hello everyone, this is lesson number 2, HSK 3, and let's start. And quickly repeat words from last lesson. 北方, 北方, it's a north. 作业, 作业, it's a homework. 电脑游戏, 电脑游戏, computer games. 面包, 面包, it's a bread. 地图, 地图, map. 周末, 周末, it's a weekend. So 周 also a week, also some period of time. For example, 周年, it's a anniversary. So let's start. First one for today is 复习, 复习, to revise. Why? Because 复 is to repeat something, 习 it's to learning something. So 复习 to revise. For example, I revise for the exam. Before exam, you have a time and you need to quickly repeat some words. 我复习考试. So, 我复习, as you can see, it's to revise an exam, but in English it's for the exam. Also, we have some different translation here. 我复习考试. Let's see. I review the exam. Also could be I review exam, but I studied for my exam. Also could be. I think for the exam is better. So 我复习考试. 考试 it's exam. So I repeat something before exam. Next one. He revises with me. 他跟我一起复习. So 他跟我 we will see 跟 it's with something, with someone. 他跟我 he with me 一起复习 together. So it's with me, but in Chinese we need to say he with me together review. So he revises with me. In English, of course, it's quite different. 他跟我 he with me 一起 together 复习 review, revise, review. Next one is I revise Chinese on the weekend. 周末我复习汉语. 周末 it's the end of the week or weekend. 我复习 I revise what? 汉语 Chinese. Han is a name of the nation, and Yu it's a language. So Hanyu, Chinese language. Be careful because here is I revise something, but here is because exam I revise for the exam. 我复习考试. We don't need to say for 考试 or something else. 周末我复习汉语. Next one is first one 搬. It's to move, to shift. It could be an object or could be an apartment. So be careful. For example, I move to the south. So it's implied that he changed his apartment or maybe his location in country from north to south. 我搬到南方. 我搬到 here is it's to somewhere. For example, 我搬 I move to, and 到 it's to some place. 南方 south. So I move to the south. Of course, 到 has a lot of meanings, but here is just 我搬到南方. I move to the south. He helps me move things. 他帮我搬东西. 他帮我 he helps me. 他帮我 so it's to help someone to do what? 帮 move 东西 it's some things, maybe some furniture, some technique in a kitchen or even in some things you need to move from house to house. So Also could be a big object in one room. So not definitely, not connected with change of apartment. 他帮我搬东西. Maybe it's a refrigerator also. He helps to move. Next one. We plan to move house. 我们打算 it's to plan something to do. 打算搬家 to move. When you see 搬家, it's a move house, so it's to change your place of living. So 我们打算搬家 we plan to move a house. And I think it's more with some things because, for example, move one things from your house to a new house, like that. 我们打算搬家 but also I think also could be without really. Maybe just move, relocate. Also relocate can be. For example, what documents I need when I move? That's why my mom made us move. So it also, I think it's not, you don't need to take some things with you. You can just 搬家 to change your place of living. 我们打算搬家. Okay, next one it's 打算. It could be 打算. No, 打算. Plan or to plan or to intend. For example, it could be a noun, also could be a verb. I plan to go traveling on the weekend. 我打算周末去旅游. 我打算 I plan what? On the weekend, 周末去 to go to 旅游 to go to traveling. Be careful. As you can see, I plan to go, and in the end, it's a weekend. But in Chinese, we need 我打算 I plan verb, then time, and then another verb represent 去旅游 to go to traveling. Also, you can say 我周末打算去旅游. Also, you can say, but you cannot say 我打算去旅游周末. You cannot put it in the end. So be careful. 我打算周末去旅游. Next one, he intends to move to the north. So he has planned. He already made his decision. I think he's not made his decision. Maybe he just thinking. Also could be. Maybe he's not sure for now. 他打算搬到北方. So he打算 he intends to 搬到 so move to 北方 north. 他打算搬到北方. Next one, we plan to revise together. 我们打算一起复习. So we plan 我们打算一起 together 复习 together to do a revise. So maybe repeat some materials before the exam. Next one is it's interjection. It's I think it's common to put in the end of the sentence, like here. Let's see. Represent. Sometimes it's just exclamation mark. Sometimes it could be like ha. Let's see. The weather is nice, huh? 天气很好啊. 天气 the weather 很好 very good. And for maybe for a bit of motivation. 天气很好啊. Let's go outside for playing. 天气很好啊. So it's just with this emotion, add a bit of emotion. It's called 祈语 to so part of the speech that describe your mood, describe your emotion. 天气很好啊。Next one, you very busy, huh? 你很忙啊。Here is also could be not only exclamation mark, also question mark. 你很忙 you are very busy. And it's for, but it's question with some answer in it. So 你很忙啊。So maybe he know he has some plans, but still asking. 你很忙啊。你很忙啊。So it's and depend on your intonation also very important. Next one, the game is really interesting, huh? 游戏真有意思啊。游戏 game 真 really here is together 有意思 has a meaning, but as I before said, 有意思 it's interesting. Be careful. It's not has a meaning or meaningful. It has an interest. 有意思游戏真有意思啊。真有意思啊。So maybe he played and say his review. 真有意思啊。It's Chinese people really like to say this. It's only one of them. I think it's dozens of them. So be careful. Next one and last one for today. It's 跟 first one with something or to follow someone. Let's see. Because I think we can slowly can deep more in the structure of characters. On the right part, it's a character 很 that give us pronunciation 跟 很 very similar. On the left part, I think it's 脚 it's a foot, football the foot. So well, maybe represent leg, maybe represent some walking. Like here to follow, you need to walk by someone. It's just a small hint to remember the word. I go to the train station with him. 我跟他去火车站。火车站。我跟他 I with him or I follow him 去火车站 to go to a railway train station. Just 火车 it's a train and 站 it's a station. Also can be a verb, it's to stand, but here is station. 我跟他去火车站。So here is 跟 with someone. We can also say 我和他 I with I and him, but 跟 is more popular, more colloquial. In the spoken language, use more. Because it's more easy to say 我跟他 than 我和他. So he plays computer games with me. 他跟我 he with me 玩 play 电脑游戏 As you can see, we slowly repeat our previous words, and that's way how you can slowly absorb and remember words in different contexts and situations. The more variation you will see, the more your brain will understand when you need to use by yourself, and you will speak more fluently. 他跟我 he with me 玩 or it also could be war, but here's just one 电脑游戏 computer games. I revise with my friend. 我跟朋友一起复习。我跟朋友 I with my friend or with my friend also. 一起复习 together 复习 to repeat something. So I think that's all for today. Let's quickly repeat words. The first one 复习 to revise something. Let's see, maybe some other translation could be possible. To revise, review, study, revision, revise, go over, brush up, refresher. So it's a bit this way. 复习 Next one. 班 to move, to shift. 打算 to plan or plan, because you can say 我没有打算 I don't have a plan. 我打算做什么什么 I plan to do something. 打算 Next one it's could be or could be so also has a variation. And this one跟 with something to follow someone, but I think with more popular. 跟 let's see maybe some other variation of this one. 跟 with and as about, so more popular is with someone. Of course, it's this way. So that's all for today, and we will start on the next with 一日 constantly. See you.